Did you know that whatever you do right after uploading your YouTube video is as important as the video itself? A lot of creators, they actually make this huge mistake after uploading their video, which leads to the video underperforming and getting low views on their channel. So on this video, I'm going to be revealing 6 mistakes that you actually need to avoid at all costs so that your video can perform better on your channel, leading to better views, better watch hours, and also better subscribers on that your YouTube channel. And if you have any question at the end of this video, do remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected to my channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials that can actually help you to grow your own YouTube channel. Alright, let's get right to it. The first thing you should never do is to add or remove chapters from your YouTube video after that video have already been uploaded, because this can actually change how people react to your video while they are watching it. What I mean is a situation when you have already uploaded your video and that video is carrying chapters, and then you're already getting views on that video. Do not make the mistake of going to edit that video and removing the chapters, because doing that might actually impact the video negatively, and then before you know it, all of a sudden that video will stop getting views on your channel. Now, whenever you have a video that is performing well on your channel and is getting a lot of views and stuff like that, what that actually means is that your title, your description, your hashtag, and also your thumbnail, they are all working hand in hand together, leading to that good performance that you are seeing on that video. So in such a situation, make sure you do not ever make the mistake of making any changes to that 4 videos once they have already started performing well on your channel, because if you are to do that, it might actually destroy that video. Because sometimes a lot of creators, they get greedy, when they're already getting views, they'll just feel like, let me change this thumbnail, I might actually be able to get ×2 of the views I'm already getting. In such a situation, you might actually just totally lose the views that you're even getting on the daily basis on that video, because you are being greedy. So in such a situation, just leave that video to keep performing its magic. Do not make any single changes to that video. Mistake number 3 is changing the packaging of your video way too soon. I know some of you might actually be wondering, what do I mean by changing the packaging of a video? What I mean is a situation where you upload a video to your YouTube channel and then you wait about 2 or 3 days, and then you check on your YouTube analytics only to see that this video is a complete flop and getting low views. In this kind of situation, a lot of creators, they will just want to change the packaging of the video, like changing the thumbnail, changing the hashtags, the description, and stuff like that. And in this kind of situation, doing that too soon can totally destroy that video, because there are situations where you upload a video and then that video is going to flop for about a week, and then the second week that video will start getting a lot of views. It happens a lot of times to YouTube creators. So the right thing that you should actually do when you upload a video on YouTube and then you notice that this video is not generating a lot of views and it's flopping and stuff like that, just give YouTube about 1 week or 2 weeks to do what you want to do with the video, because YouTube is going to be testing it with different kind of audience. Then after like 1 week or 2 weeks, you see that okay, this video is not getting views, then you can go ahead and change the packaging of the video. The 4th mistake is when creators start looking at their video as a short-term thing instead of looking at it as something that can keep generating views over a long run. What I mean is that a lot of creators actually forget that a video can get 500 views in about 2 weeks, and then fast forward to 5 months later, that same video will be having like 10,000 views or 15,000 views on your channel. As a creator, when you upload a video on YouTube, don't get greedy once you see that the video is getting low views over the next couple of days. You don't need to get greedy and start saying you want to change the title, you want to change the description, stuff like that, because you feel like you deserve views on that video instantly. You shouldn't think like that. So once you are getting slow views on that video, slow views on the video actually means that YouTube have not given up on that video. YouTube is still testing the video with different audience and trying to understand the right audience for the video. So instead of wasting that time and thinking about the next thumbnail you are going to create for that same video, or the description you are going to change for that video, use that time to start working on your next video, scripting your next video, creating thumbnail for your next video and stuff like that, and allow YouTube to work their magic on that previous video. Because you might actually be shocked that 6 months later you go and check that same video that was actually getting slow views, you see that view is now having 20,000 views on your channel. So it's just like that. There are some videos on YouTube that will get a lot of views very fast, while there are some other videos that will be getting little views, and before you know it, 6 months later, that video is having a lot of views. So that's just how it works. So let's move on to the next mistake. Mistake number 5 is deleting your video way too soon before e actually gets the chance to blow up. Understand that as a creator, once you take your time to work on a video, you give it all you have, and then all of a sudden 1 week pass by, you check that video is having just like 50 views and it's looking like the video is stuck. You might actually be tempted to delete that video because it's quite embarrassing that you are getting that kind of low views when you already have other videos that are doing better in your channel. But I will advise you to never delete any of your video on your YouTube channel. Now, before you guys will come for me, the reason why I say you should not delete any video from your YouTube channel is because of this my video from my channel that you can see on your screen right now. When I actually uploaded this video on YouTube, it was actually getting slow views. I think after like 2 months, I was having just like 300 views on this video. But fast forward to now, I'm having about 1,800 views on the video, and it have given me about 20 subscribers. So you can see, although 20 subscribers is quite low, but every subscriber actually matters here on YouTube. It matters a lot. So what I'm trying to say is that you should look at your video as an investment. So whenever you upload a video, it's not all investment that is going to bring results immediately. Some investment, they actually take time to yield results. So that's the same way that YouTube works. Now, the last mistake, which is mistake number 6, is previewing your video incorrectly after uploading it on your YouTube channel. I know some of you might actually be curious and wondering, what do I mean by previewing your video incorrectly? What I actually mean is that a lot of creators, after they have uploaded their video, they like to go and preview the video, like watch the video to see how the video is going to look like in their mobile device, or for some other different reason. So everybody have their own reason, but what I'm trying to say is that sometimes when they are previewing that video, they might just watch it for some few seconds and then they will just close their YouTube app, or they will go and watch some other video, and that's totally wrong. Because the YouTube algorithm, if you are to think about how it works, it actually checks the data of all viewers and how they react to videos. So imagine you just uploaded a video and the first one view on that video just watch the video for like 10 seconds or 20 seconds. YouTube can just translate that the video is not interesting because the first viewer didn't even bother to watch it halfway. So you can see. So make sure that when you are previewing your video, you watch the video from the beginning to the end, so that one view that is going to be on the video, if YouTube is going to check on that one view, is going to see that, okay, the one viewer watched it from the beginning to the end. Because when you come to this YouTube, you don't need to take any chances at all. Always make sure that you do everything correctly, because just one wrong move, the YouTube algorithm is just going to translate it incorrectly, and before you know it, your video is going to flop. So just take everything that I've said in this video and apply it on your channel, and you're going to be seeing better results. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it has been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, that I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by the end of this video, which is actually right now, you are going to be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists. I'm sure you already see that on your screen. So if you have free time, you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.